y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I have another review for you from a store called LIDL, or it may be LIDL. You know, in my Jersey accent, I will jack up a name real quick if it's something from down here in the South. So if you do live in the South and you know this new store that they started building, LIDL, called LIDL, it is, to me, it is almost just like a Aldi's. So I love to go in there because of their fresh fruit when I'm doing my smoothies, my vegetables, and then every now and then I'll go down to like the aisle where they have the bins of different stuff. Came across, look y'all, don't this look like a tool? It is a Parkside hot glue gun. And look, it come in the case. I had bought this like over a month ago. I have so many glue guns. I have not even opened this up, y'all, but we're gonna open it up today because I've been dying to show y'all. I haven't even used it yet. I just liked it because it looked like it was a glue gun is a tool if you are serious about your glue guns. Look at that. Come right in the case, y'all. I'm set. All I got to do is drill this up, put some rhinestones on it, some glitter. Child, look like I'm about to go do some serious work with my glue gun. Let's see how you open this. Dang, I mean, they ain't playing. They got this seriously. Oh, you got to cut in here. I got to cut that right there. I got to cut that open. They ain't playing. They got that locked. Wow. Okay. So we're going to open it up. Wow, look. It even got a place for emergency to put your glue sticks at. Comes with instructions. Oh, wow. Oh, and this thing is heavy. This is better than the other cordless one that I have. Look at that. It has the tip here. And for my, ooh, that screws off. And it comes with two other tips that you can use. That's another one. Look at that one. Just screw that on in there. And then it has this one. I don't know if this one will get much use, but I guess that it'll shoot out really thin. I'll do a test to see how it actually comes out once the glue gun heats up. Oh, and this lever is really good for my hands. Not bad. Not bad. So I'm gonna put the first nozzle that it came with. This is the one that will probably get much use from me. And just tighten that on. It comes with the plug and attachment, and then it has a stand. And let's see how this is supposed to go on here. I guess it's supposed to sit like that. Sit like that. The plug goes in here. Now remember, I just opened this up, so I'm sitting here with y'all. Oh, and that sticks down. See that? See in here? This sticks on down in here. Look at that. Tilt it over, plug it in so it gets hot, comes on up in here, and when you're ready to use it, you pull it off. So this is a handheld glue gun. Don't have to have the string in your way anymore. And I have another another handheld glue gun, but the glue was always getting stuck in it, and I think I paid like 20 maybe $30 from Hobby Lobby last year, and the grip on it really hurts my hands, you know, when Mr. Arthritis is kicking in. So I got away from using that, which I loved because the cord, you know, never was in my way, but it just became so difficult to use. So I've been on the hunt for a new cordless glue gun. And let me show you my other one real quick. You've probably seen it in my videos. My other glue guns that I have, this is the one that I'm talking about. But you can get this one at Hobby Lobby. It has the same concept down at the bottom. And you stick it down in here and plug it in. Then it has like the drip tray here. But for some reason, this was starting to hurt, you know, my trigger glue hand, because I am right-handed. It's called the Shore Bonder. And I think they're regularly like $30, but if you have your 40% off, and you can always purchase this at Hobby Lobby. And because this was hurting me one night back in the wintertime, I ran out in the middle of the night to Walmart, and I've been using this glue gun, which I like because it has the fine tip on it, and you can do hot and low, but it's a plug-in one. And I believe this was like $10, but this is much better for me to squeeze, you know. But guess how much I paid for this? We look like we about to do some serious work, don't we? $9.99. Only paid $10. Excellent, excellent deal. So if you can come across it, keep in mind I purchased this about a month ago. So I'm hoping that your LIDLs will still, or LIDLs that will still have these. And just wanted to get on and show you it. And this is the box. This is what it looks like. So hopefully you'll be able to get one. And I thought this is really going to help me when I get back into doing my DIYs. I can't leave the link for the cordless glue gun because that was bought in store with a store called LIDL, and there's no online shopping for that store. You just have to have one in your area and to be able to go in and to get it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got a LIDL or a LIDL in your area, and if you were able to score the cordless glue gun. And like I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed. Until the next shopping haul. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.